you could have it on the way back. Cool. Perfect world then.
Yeah, just so tired.
Happy holidays everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with local guide and familiar face Lyle, as well as one of Lyle's good longtime friends, Victor, and my buddy Sam. We're on Lake Ontario, we're in search of browns and lake trout, but after a few hours we found out pretty quickly that those weren't the only fish swimming around in the zone. So we also came across this pretty unique experience watching this crane move itself around using just the boom arm, grabbing onto the ground and pulling itself along, so that was pretty cool. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Find out more about Lyle and his guiding out in the Niagara region. He's got some really cool programs going on there, and I think you guys will like it if you're looking for some guided opportunities. So thanks for watching, and we'll hope you guys enjoy. We started off our day exploring a couple of shoals and humps along the shoreline, and to no avail. We continued our searches and found ourselves fishing just off the Niagara bar, just off the Niagara River there. And after a couple of passes and watching a couple guys hook into fish, we started changing up our baits, and Lyle put us through a couple of different programs. And yeah, we got tight on our first fish.
I always want to reel. Like no stopping, just reeling. Okay, ready? Did we get one? Yeah, you're good now.
That's a big cast there, boys.
Oh, I'm on. Yeah, bud. Should I reel up?
That's a thickie too.
Yeah, just keep fishing.
Doing the old perpendicular drift. It's what it is. The fishing over perpendicular now.
On the drop?
No, I was like tickling bottom. I was already pulling it along. Would you say this is a lake trout? Possibly a lake trout. Oh, don't tell Sam that.
I like brown trout.
Sam loves them brown.
I can answer it if you want.
Oh, that's a Chinook!
Chinook.
It's a Chinook, dude.
Hi-yo, what is going on, dude? What is going on? That's a Chinook. That's a nice one, dude.
China. It's actually like 15 pounds.
It's a unit.
That's all I catch out here is China.
Just clean China. It's amazing. That's incredible. I've never seen anything like that. That's a nice. On 12 cleans.
Oh. Yeah! Yeah!
What is going on here, folks?
Wow,
What in goodness' name? December King with LG.
Yeah, buddy.
Jump in here, dude. Let's get a good thumbnail.
Oh, such a nice back. You're on. That's a fish.
Lyle? Samuel? GoPro.
all I have to do is put the rod down, boys. You guys want to get a double shot?
Yeah. We're due for one of those, eh, Big Papi?
You guys aren't looking for fishing salmon.
I'm okay, Sam. How about you? Do you look for a fillet?
I mean, I didn't have to bring my knife or anything. You want to put the fish in the live well for now?
Is that okay? Do you want me to is the box? Is there water in there?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's good to go. It's good to go. Oh, okay. Pescador. Oh, we're going to
Met the front.
Let me get a view on that. Sam. Oh, I got a stick there. it even smells like king. That's so nice. Nice. Sweet, dude. Big LG putting us on. Here it
Do you want me
is.
to just toss them, or do you
Victor
want
the
to
Fly Man. Dude.
That king actually kicked away? God damn.
That's sweet, man.
Nicely done, fellas.
Boys.
Nicely done.
Sweet. Good stuff.
Good stuff, man. Good shit.
Next step, triple. Step after that, quad.
So I guess I'm leaving it too long on the bottom, I think. That's
Yeah.
So as soon as I feel a tick, just slowly start.
Slow rolling.
Okay. Because the fish I caught, I was just left there.
This is slower back there.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah.
Okay, so up front here makes sense.
Yep. You'll get a feel for it. Once you get the right speed, you'll just feel it tap every once in a while, and that's how you know. Dancer. I'm giving him a drink.
Yep, give him a little sip.
Holy sack here. Nice fish. He's got a nice orange fin.
Me? Tell me more. Nice. Alright, sorry, let me just switch to the other side. Lyle.
Be free!
Lyle.
Be free! Be free! Sweet.
1 out of 10, Lyle. We're giving a 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Oh, buddy!
Where am I?
That's further back in the drift, too.
That looks like a sexy one, Sam.
Well.
Dude, actually. Sam, have you a nice one?
Is it in China?
Is it a king? I think it is. It is.
That's a king.
It is.
Is it another king?
100%.
No shit. We're on the king program.
Because it came up, right? Like,
Big hump, luckily hump back on that jig. Nice.
What is going on here? We got the king program.
Getting freaking rattled, dog.
Victor's running the customs, man.
that's like a 16-pounder, bro.
That's a thicky thick. Wow, what's going on?
Wow, man, this is sick.
We'll take it.
I'd way rather catch kings than browns. I can't believe the size of it too. It was like, I thought it was a Laker, and then I saw the colors.
No, I knew it was a king. I just didn't want to get all excited.
This boat is just, it's got salmon flavor.
Yeah!
That's it. We saw your boat flip something.
Sorry, I'm trying here.
No, I know.
I can't really move on
Well, you're using 12 too, right? Kinda...
Clean 12.
Oh.
That's a thickie.
it.
Come on. Sick, dude. That was so sick. The fish is probably American, that's why he's trying to drag us back to the home territory. The BS.
He's not.
Sam, watch the bow fan, buddy. Watch the bow.
Fuck, boys. I don't know what else to do.
This is just keep finessing the fish in.
Like, I'm horsing them, like, I can't.
Yeah, this is why we're here. Don't sweat it. Yeah.
Coach Lyle's gonna walk you through this one, Samuel.
Just keep them okay. That's good.
Let me get out of the way.
Nope. I couldn't take it.
That's a good one.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh, it came
Wow!
That is silly.
Oh, beauty!
Samuel, you've done it, buddy.
It popped right there.
Look at that. Wow.
Damn. That's a perfect fish.
Wow, dude. Dude, boy. God, that's crazy.
Well done, well done.
Two kings in one day, bro.
What is going on?
Are we fishing?
Yeah. That might fire. Just gotta be careful. Pick it up.
Heavy, yeah. You're like working the ball. Come on.
Yeah, bud. Yeah, it just came up.
I think it's a smaller fella.
Yeah. I don't know where either that or it's just been where it was.
Ooh, it's a brown.
Yeah.
Sexy brown. Oh, he jumped too. Look at that. Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Would you look at that? Would you look at it?
Nibblers. Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, puppy. He's on. Got some heft, maybe.
After
Nice.
this, I can force an air bite. Once I get the skunk out of the boat, just too late. You're gonna see, you guys see nothing yet. Oh, it's real, guys. Alright.
Look how white he is.
Yeah.
Here, I got this for sure.
It's a chromer. Boom.
Nice.
In the net. Adios.
Nice job, dude.
Thank you, fellas.
Hell yeah.
Alrighty. Skunks.
Well, that pretty much wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun exploring the Niagara Bar with Lyle and the boys. And happy holidays to all my viewers. I wish you all a prosperous and successful 2021. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next clip. Take it easy.